Page 28, The Lion Sleeps Tonight. This is in the key of F major, 1 flat. Be sure and go do the scale on F major. Make sure you can do that. Now when you first look at this, you just see a lot of quarter notes and half notes and whatnot. You think, well, this shouldn't be too bad. We can handle this. It's not too hard. Well, surprise. This is a quick piece. And when you add the quickness into the counting, there's a lot of syncopation going on, even though it doesn't look like it. This gets tricky. So let's just go over this carefully in the right hand. At the beginning, you're in this position. Right. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See those tied notes? Hang on to those. Just, you think playing it, just hang on to the note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And this is where it gets tricky. Now if you can get this rhythm, you've got most of it. So just speed that up slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It just gets tricky. It's just a 1, 2. And all of a sudden it's like, what's going on? But that's it. And then third line down, the right hand's got the chords, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the last line, last couple measures, 5/7 chord. Nice wrist staccato on the staccato. And then top of page 29, it's a 1 chord without the F. And then again, the melody's in the left hand, so keep the right hand soft. I think the right hand actually only gets melody in this piece for like the first couple of lines or so, and then the left hand gets it from there. Well, that's unusual. There's one minor fingering change I recommend on this piece, otherwise you finger it the way they've got it is fine. But at the end of page 29 on the last line, your right hand's in F position, and you're playing the FA with 1, 3 at the beginning, and then on the third measure over they're saying 1, 2. I disagree, because in the last measure you got to do a thumb again on the F. I suggest on the E, G, instead of 1, 2, play that 1, 3. And that way when you get to the F, you can just do it with second finger. It's fun. That's what I recommend doing. That's what it is. And then on the left hand, you're starting out with chords softly. 1 chord, the 4 chord. And the second line at the end is 5/7 chord. And then the left hand gets the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Don't forget the B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Just count this out very carefully and you'll be fine. Top of page 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You're going to hold on to that forever. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's this rhythm? Because of the tied note. So hang on to it. That's really about all it is. Then you slowly put them together. Shouldn't be too difficult, I hope. Just keep slow. Keep it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then the left hand gets it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. So take it real slow and easy and you'll get it. You just, once you get it, then you can start thinking about speeding it up. But don't speed it up too soon because you want to get it first. Now, dynamic wise, it starts out medium loud. That's the melody here. Down at the bottom, it's medium soft, and then go down into soft. It doesn't indicate to slow down there. I did a little bit. And then hang on to that last note because of the fermata. So it's a sort of it's a fun piece to play. Let's try it out. There's no pedal in this. We don't need the pedal. I'm going to give us 4 counts, so we're going to go slow though. I just want to check the notes and the rhythms. So put your hands in, I guess, F position to start. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2.